Currently, most smartphones on the market support fast charging. Some smartphones can even be fully charged in as little as half an hour. So how is this achieved? The typical USB charging standard is 5 volts, 0.5A for smartphones. This is clearly insufficient. To improve charging speed, various manufacturers have developed fast charging technologies. The principle of fast charging in smartphones lies in increasing the power P input to the phone battery. According to the formula for electrical energy learned in high school, P power equals V voltage XI current. This is where the fast charging protocol comes into play. There are both public and proprietary fast charging protocols. USB Power Delivery USB PD Fast Charging Protocol. This is a fast charging standard introduced by the USB Implementers Forum USBF in the United States in 1995. Commonly supported devices include iPhone, Switch, and others. PD fast charging supports both high voltage and low current modes. It also supports low voltage and high current modes, making it widely applicable. The latest release is PD 3.1. It adds 3 additional fixed voltage levels: 28 volts, 36 volts, and 48 volts. It can provide a more stable charging power. It outputs 3.3 volts, approximately 20 volts. 3A, 5A. There's 5 power specifications: 10W, 18W, 306, 600, and 100W. Then there's the Quick Charge QC Fast Charging Protocol. This is a fast charging protocol introduced by Qualcomm. It initially employed low voltage and high current mode. By increasing the current to 2A to boost charging power. To achieve fast charging effects, the output ranges from 15 volts to 48 volts at 5A. Meanwhile, Quick Charge is compatible with USB PD Fast Charging Protocol. The latest QC4 Plus can achieve charging power of up to 1000. This application is very widespread, commonly supported by Android devices. Then there's the proprietary protocol. For example, Huawei's SCP protocol up to 1000. There's also Xiaomi's Mi Turbo Charge up to 120W. Oppo's VOC up to 605. Vivo's Fast Charge up to 120W. Is your phone charging speed fast? That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.